Welcome back to the Terrace Garden. Today I have 3 different varieties of figs ripe at the same time. We are in the end of October here in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. This is zone 6B. We have not had frost on our hillside yet. There have been areas locally that have. So far we've avoided it. This is Longue, LSU Tiger, and JFE Black Madeira knot. LSU Tiger gets its name for these beautiful stripes. There's a little splitting here, not too bad. We've had a lot of rain lately. JFE Black Madeira knot. And then Longue. So I'm going to cut these 3 open, take a look and see how their colors differ. I have not had all 3 of these at the same time. I have yet to have LSU Tiger out of this garden, so that will be a first. Wow. Oh wow. Yeah, that's gorgeous. JFE definitely has the most color saturation. Wow. Alright, let's give them a taste. Okay, a little bit of a feast here. This is the most figs that I've had come ripe at the same time. They're all second-year trees. I'm going to start with LSU Tiger. This is probably the most underripe. Definitely a little early. It does have a bit of a berry flavor to it. Not very creamy. Seeds were a little firm yet. Yeah, I'm still glad I picked it, but I don't know that that's very representative of what an LSU Tiger should taste like. I'm going to try the JFE Black Madeira knot second. The aroma on this is a dark berry, almost like the ripest strawberry you've ever had. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Let's give it a try. Wow. Okay, that's the best fig I've ever had in my life, anywhere. JFE Black Madeira knot so far takes the cake. This is unbelievable. It is really like the ripest strawberry you've ever had. It's so crazy how different fruits evoke the same flavors in different foods. This is unbelievable. Really, truly unbelievable. I've been eating LDA for a few weeks now. It is not going to top that JFE Black Madeira knot. It is probably the creamiest fig of the bunch. Let's give it a try. Definitely delicious. Trends more in the raspberry direction. Still very creamy. Kind of hard to beat. It's a very productive tree. It's a delicious fruit. I'm just really grateful that I got to even experience them this year and at the same time. If we would have had frost last week, that would not have happened. So the LSU Tiger was underripe. The LDA was delicious, but neither compared at all to the JFE Black Madeira knot. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.